take your seats, and my humble request to please put your most loving partner, your mobile phones, in silent mode. Switch on your video. Please put your audio in mute. Good morning, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. You will be definitely successful. With this hope, a senior-most club of 45 years is going to celebrate the installation ceremony of 31st chairman of the district in presence of First Lady of Association of Innerwheel Clubs in India. It is really a dream come true. Isn't it, Sumati Garu?
Yes. Innerwheel friends, అందరికీ శుభోదయం. స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను పద్మ. తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను అనుకుంటున్నారా? కానీ కొన్ని క్లబ్స్ వాళ్ళు మన మాతృభాషలో మీటింగ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తే బాగుంటుందని అన్నారు. అందుకని ఇలా కొంచెంసేపు నేను పద్మ ముచ్చటించుకోవాలని అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఏ పద్మ? 1977లో ప్రారంభమైన మన ఇన్నర్వీల్ క్లబ్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ 315లో ఎంతో ప్రాముఖ్యత సంచరించుకుంది కదా. ఇప్పటి వరకు 6 ఇన్నర్వీల్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చైర్మన్లు మన క్లబ్ లో అమూల్య సేవలను అందించారు. ఎన్నో అసెంబ్లీస్, ర్యాలీస్, కాన్ఫరెన్సెస్ ఎంతో సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా ఫిజికల్ గా చేసుకున్నాము. అందరి మన్ననలను అందుకున్నాం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లో. ఈ సంవత్సరం 7వ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చైర్మన్ గా మన క్లబ్ నుండి సునీతా వళ్ళం ఎన్నిక కావడం ఎంతో ఆనందంగా ఉంది. కానీ ఫిజికల్ గా కాకుండా మనం ఇద్దరము మాస్టర్ ఆఫ్ సెరమనీస్ లో కూర్చోకుండా ఈ విధంగా వర్చువల్ గా చేసుకోవటం ఒక విధంగా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే మెంబర్స్ అందరూ శ్రమ పడకుండా, డబ్బు ఖర్చు పెట్టకుండా ఎంతో చక్కగా ఇళ్లలో కూర్చొని హాయిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయడానికి మనం అవకాశం కల్పించాం కదా పద్మ?
అవునక్క, నిజం.
మన వరంగల్ ప్రజలను తన చల్లని చూపులతో, కరుణతో కాపాడుతున్న మన భద్రకాళి అమ్మవారు, కాకతీయుల వైభవాన్ని కళ్ళకట్టినట్లు నిలిచిన శిలాతోరణం, 1000 స్తంభాల ఆలయం వగైరా ఇవన్నీ మన అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ సరోజ్ కతియార్ గారిని చూపించాలి కదా. ఏమంటావు పద్మ?
అవునవును.
టెక్నాలజీ పుణ్యంతో మనం ఈ విధంగా ఎంతో చక్కగా చేయగలుగుతాం. ఫిజికల్ గా కాకుండా వర్చువల్ గా మనం అచ్చటికి వెళ్ళినట్టు అన్ని విధాలుగా చేయడానికి సాధ్యపడుతుంది.
అవును.
మరి మన అసోసియేషన్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారిని మన వరంగల్ చూపిస్తారా?
అంతకంటే ముందు నేను ఒక 2 ముక్కలు చెప్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను.
ఓకే, చెప్పేసే పద్మ.
वरंगल किला अपने आप में अलग प्रकार का आकर्षण है. इसे दक्षिण भारत की वास्तुकला का सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रतीक माना जाता है. राजा गणपति देव इस किले का शुरुआत किए हैं, लेकिन उनकी पुत्री रानी रुद्रमा देवी ने इसका पूर्ण किया. रानी रुद्रमा देवी बोले तो मुझे शीरो की याद आती है. रानी रुद्रमा देवी काकतीय काल की शीरो है. आज हमारे शीरों को हम सब मिलके वर्चुअल टूर वरंगल ले जाएंगे. होस्ट क्लब मेंबर्स ऑफ वरंगल आर वेटिंग एट वरंगल टू टेक सरोज जी टू वर्चुअल टूर. Sarojji, we have missed to take you physically. I think you have enjoyed this
we
virtual
not miss
meeting.
the best so far. Beautiful, man. Really tight, you know.
Is it?
Yeah,
Thanks for your good words.
wonderful welcome. It couldn't have been better, you know.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sarojji. Thank you very much.
I'm there to thank you all for that wonderful welcome. I'm thanking you.
COVID pandemic put a big check on the usual working. In these unprecedented times, with unstinted support of district executive committee and guidance of CDM, Tilojana ji has completed her journey in an unique way. 2021 was a year of finding Team 2021 turned a new page of history and went ahead with online events and activities. Considering the safety of interviews, starting from training activities, conferences, installations, statements, official visits, inaugural projects, webinars and entertainment virtual. Due to threat of third wave.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt.
Some disturbance is there.
Sorry to disturb you. I think there is a mobile which is echoing.
Okay.
Hello, Sheila.
Please, I'm continuing. The beauty of bouquet is much more than the flower that we and the sweetness of the honey we enjoy is the effort of bees that reside in hive. Similarly, the beauty of Innerville is much more in clubs than individual member. Let us march in oneness for a cause for a better tomorrow, thereby making the hour of Innerville a magical one. District Chairman Sunita, along with club leaders, escorting our today's chief guest to the virtual meeting hall with flags. Shall we welcome them, flag march? Wow, what a pleasant view. Isn't it feast to eyes to see lovely leaders of all clubs proudly holding their club flags along with First Lady of Association of Innovate Clubs in India and District Chairman Sunita in an unique way? Our association president, district
Yes.
chairman, district TC, and all club leaders have assembled in their respective seats after virtual flag. Jhoom Jhoom Khil Aavo Jhume Gaye in this June. Let us welcome our chief guest with Jhoom Jhoom Khil Please join us along with Manorama for welcome dance.
झूम झूम हर कली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर कली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर कली बार बार कह चली आप जो पधार तो महक उठी गली गली झूम झूम हर कली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली हर कदम पे साथ का दिया हमें भरोसा है प्यार भरे पलकों में हमको पाला पोसा है हर कदम पे साथ का दिया हमें भरोसा है खुशनुमा है जिंदगी राह जैसे मखमली आप जो पधारे तो मैं उठी गली गली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली बरस रही सब पे मेहरबानियाँ कह रही हवाएं भी आपकी कहानियाँ आपसे बरस रही सब पे मेहरबानियाँ मीठे बोल बोलते हैं जैसे मिस्र की गली आप जो पधारे तो मैं उठी गली गली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली आप जो पधार तो महक उठी गली गली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर गली बार बार कह चली झूम झूम हर गली
Myself and PDC Sumati Naidu, along with members of Innerwheel Club of Warangal, feel extremely honored to welcome Madam Association President Saroj Katiyarji, District EC members, Galaxy of PDC's club leaders from various clubs of District 315, members of host club, guests to this momentous occasion of Sugamana installation ceremony of Mrs. Sunita Vellam and her team. On this very special occasion of installation, I would like to invite President of Innerwheel Club of Warangal, Mrs. Lakshmi, very enthusiastic and committed President, to occupy the virtual dais. Welcome, Lakshmi. A very cool and composed lady with a lot of enthusiasm, who proved that age comes to body, not to mind, who has led the change, keeping District 315 hopes alive, even in pandemic situation. Sulochana ji, welcome to virtual dais. Bold and beautiful lady with strong and focused ideas and positive attitude, Sunita Vellam is going to take charge from Sulochana ji today as 31st chairman and 7th chairman from Innerwheel Club of Warangal. Dear Sunita, it's your day. Please occupy your seat on virtual dais. स्नेह सुमन लिए हाथ में कर 16 श्रृंगार, स्वागत को हम आपके उत्सुक श्रीमान सरोज कतियार। स्वीकृत आमंत्रण किया रखा हमारा मान, आपके आगमन से बढ़ गई हमारी शान, कैसे खुशी प्रकट करे, स्वागत है श्रीमान सरोज जी। Creativity, innovation, perseverance, commitment, and her complete dedication to Innerwheel has led Saroj ji to assume the prestigious post of Association President of Innerwheel Clubs in India. With her meticulous planning and organizing skills, Saroj is going to mesmerize all of us in triennial Varanasi. Saroj ji, we are fortunate to have you as chief guest today. Welcome you onto the virtual dais.
Thank you, Padma. Thank you for the wonderful words and the performance. That was awesome. No words to appreciate.
It was buffering actually.
Saying again and again, it couldn't have been better.
Thank you. Thank you. Now I call upon District Executive Committee members of both outgoing and incoming to the virtual dais. AC member 2021 Vinita Harnatika, team of 2122, District Vice Chairman Leela Chandwani, District Secretary Kola Vijay Lakshmi, District ESO Premlata, District Treasurer Swarnalata, District ISO Jayasri, District Editor Anupama Subedar to this virtual dais. I welcome ever smiling, pleasing, friendly, senior most PDC, very dedicated Innerwheel member and aunt of our DC 2021 Sunita, convener of the event Srimati Sumati Naidu, to occupy the virtual dais. Now we are entering to official program. So it is a mark of, I request our Sulochana DC 2021 to call the meeting to order.
The meeting is called to order.
It's a mark of our undying tradition to invoke the blessings of Almighty at the beginning of any event. Once Swamiji said that the prayer is not to influence God, rather to change the nature of one who prays. Light the lamp of love, blast the chain of sorrows, shoot the rocket of positivity and prosperity. Let us now proceed for invocation along with lighting of lamp. Over to Prema.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु
Prima, your picture is only coming on the screen.
You're not able to see this?
We have seen now. Now you are continue.
Lighting the video raleda?
Vachindi. After that, continuously your picture is coming on the screen. Okay.
No, you are back on the screen, Padma.
Okay. A light does not speak. It introduces itself through its light. Achievers never expose themselves, but their achievements expose them. Today's leaders of association, districts, and clubs are example for that. Now I request Mrs. Leela Chandwani, District Secretary 2021, to render the inaugural prayer. I request everyone to raise their right hand. Over to Leela Chandwani. Please unmute yourself.
आप लोग वहां से अनम्यूट करो.
हाँ, आप अनम्यूटेड हैं. सुनिए आ
हाँ.
रहा है.
अब आवाज आई?
आई.
हाँ.
बोल दीजिए.
हाँ. Instill in us, O Lord, the true meaning of friendship. Never let us forget that we all are thy children, notwithstanding the differences in our culture and creeds. Endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help. Whenever or wherever the need for service arises, help us to be ready to serve, enduring to make our batch of inner wheel worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain. Thank you.
Thank you, Leela. Thank you. Flowers are the music of the ground, from earth's lips spoken without sound. Happiness held is the seed and happiness shared is the flower. Let us all share our happiness with floral welcome to our chief guest and our EC members. Welcome you all once again to this virtual installation ceremony. Mrs. Lakshmi waited to take up the post during Sunita's chairman's tenure to host assembly in a grand manner physically, but keeping safety and health a top priority, plan changed to virtual installation. Now over to Lakshmi for her welcome address.
Good morning to one and all gathered in Zoom. It gives me an immense pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. I welcome you all to Warangal Zoom, which has a great history, which is also an ecotourism hub and a smart city. 2020 is certainly a year that will not soon be forgotten. For most of us, it has brought a lot of unexpected changes. I have been waiting since 4 months, planning for the assembly, but due to the pandemic situation, unfortunately, we could not meet up physically, and the only choice we have now is the Zoom assembly. I hope and pray for this situation to get better and safe. If so, I would love to invite you all for the Rallycon at Warangal. Stars shine at night, some stars shine at bright light. It's our pleasure to welcome our one such star, Mrs. Saroj Katiyar, President, Association of Innerville Clubs in India, the Honorable Chief Guest of today's assembly. We welcome you, ma'am. The essence of great leadership is influence and not authority. With this note, I would like to welcome the conveners of Sugamana, Padma Sharma, Pat Garu, and PDC Sumati Naidu Garu. We celebrate your leadership and you keep on influencing us. We welcome you, ma'am. He who puts his soul and heart in uplifting others attains dignity. Yes, I welcome all the dignitaries. Sunita Vallam, District Chairman, Leela Chandwani, District Vice Chairman, K. Vijayalakshmi, District Secretary, Dr. Sulochana Mathur, AC Member, M. Premlata, District ESO, Swarnalata, District Treasurer, G. Jayasri, District ISO, Anupama Subedar, District Editor, and Padma Sharma, District CCCC. We welcome you, ma'am. I appreciate and thank each and everyone who who put equal efforts behind this program. Once again, I welcome you all to Assembly Sugamana. Have good times. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Lakshmi. That was a wonderful welcome address. Next in the agenda is conveners welcome. We conveners have been welcoming you. So nothing else to say except our gratitude. Welcome once again and be till end of the program and grace the occasion. Now it's time for recognition of guests. I request PDC Sumati Naidu to recognize the presence of our dignitaries. Unmute yourself.
Unmute.
Yeah.
Okay.
My hearty welcome to Mrs. Saroj Katiyarji, Association President. And it is really a happy occasion in my life. My daughter is going to become the chairman today on this virtual dais. I welcome all the PDCs. Naina, Maya, Nalini. I could not see everybody, but I recognize the presence of everybody and all the presidents of the clubs, all EC members and everybody. Please enjoy the assembly and give your blessings to my daughter. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sumati. Knowledge is power. Power is wisdom. Wisdom is understanding. With her knowledge, patience, and understanding, Dr. Silochana ji in her elegant 80s served the District 315 with a lot of hope in very typical scenario by leading the change. Dear Silochana ji, will you please deliver your welcome address along with your opening remarks?
Thank you. Chief Guest, Association President Saroj Katiyar, District Chairman 2122 Sunita Vallam, District Executive Committee Galaxy of PDCs of District 315, Assembly Convener Pat and PDC Padma Sharma and PDC Sumati Naidu, Host Club President Lakshmi, Secretary Prasanna, all dignitaries, guests, club leaders and inner wheel members. I welcome you all to 31st Inner Wheel District 315 Assembly Sugamana. Step to read. Time and again, we have seen the difference that we have been able to bring to society when we have worked together as a team. Together working towards the same goal is similar to having the work half done at the start. Inner Wheel gives us immense pleasure, opportunities to make friends, showcase your talent, and make differences in the life of many with our committed service. I'm very happy all the clubs are doing projects in all avenues of services and achieving new heights, which is an excellent example of togetherness. Congratulations on creating the new landmark. You are doing and surely will continue doing such a fantastic work and changing the lives of many, seen and unseen by your activities. I congratulate Sunita and team and wish them all a very successful Inner Wheel year 21-22. Thank you.
Thank you, Silochana ji. Now I request Leela Chandwani, District Secretary 2021, to mention apologies of absence, if any.
I'm audible, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
See, I have not received any apologies regarding Vinita. If she can't get the connection, she will be absent. Otherwise, everybody is present here.
Thank you,
All are
Leela.
present.
Can you also read out greetings and messages if you have received?
Yes. I have received from Association Vice President Surjit Kaurji, along with my batchmate. All the vice chairman has given me good wishes, messages and everything. And even ISO editors chairman, I have received the messages. Thank you.
That was good to hear. Thank you, Leela.
I would like to say a few words. Mrs. Lata Satyakumar, she is in US and she have sent a message. She is unable to attend the meeting. So she want to wish Sunita on this occasion.
Now it's time to rewind the success story with satisfaction. Here comes Mrs. Sulochana Mathur, Chairman of 2020-21, who has led the change with hope in this unprecedented pandemic year and left no stone unturned to achieve the goals given. Sulochana ji, we would like to hear from you, followed by your year gone by.
Good morning, friends. Association President, Mrs. Saroj Katiyarji, incoming District Chairman, Sunita Vallam, EC members, galaxy of PDC, club leaders, and all my inner beat friends. I thank all the members of District 315 for giving me this wonderful opportunity to lead the district as the District Chairman for the year 2021. And thank you all from bottom of my heart for your support and help making the year memorable. My heartiest congratulations to all the presidents and their dynamic team for the excellent work done throughout the year. My year started with a lot of plans to visit all clubs, meet EC members, share and exchange ideas. COVID-19 came along this year and caused huge changes. Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet became words and we commonly use, and for us were a new and scary way of running meetings. However, as time passed and we got used to meeting online. Adapted to new norm, we very well in line with our IIW President Pinaji's goal, lead the change, learned new technology and did all the events virtually, including assembly, conference, rally, ISO and editor meet, OCVs, and witnessed very good participation. The year started with club officers training program. Due to the ongoing pandemic, we were compelled to do online. Sujo, start of Shine, club officers e-training institute was organized. This was the first time we organized it online. And I thank conveners Pat and PDC, M. Padma Sharma, and coordinator PDC Maya Chandwani for organizing it. For the first time, we decided to have district EC training program, Genesis, the Shuruat. District Officers E-Training Institute was organized online. I thank convener PDC Naina Desai and coordinator Swarna for organizing this training program. For both the events, we were very lucky and fortunate to be trained by stalwarts of Innerweave and were a grand success. First ever virtual district assembly, Abhinandan, was organized on 19 July 2020. I thank Assembly Chairman PDC Lovelin Arora, President Vandana Jain, and members of Host Club Innerweave Club of Secunderabad for organizing the same. District ISO and editor meet, Mitra Lekha, was organized on 17 November 2020. It was a virtual meet. I thank our district ISO Swarnlata and district editor Jayashree for organizing the same. First ever virtual district rally, Umeed, was organized on 26 December 2020. I thank rally convener Amita, President Anita, and members of Host Club Innerweave Club of Banjara for organizing the same. First ever virtual district conference, Unnati, was organized online on 10th February 21. I thank Conference Chairman PDC Sarupa Reddy, Conference Secretary PP Manisha Joshi, President Sirisha, and members of Host Club Innerweave Club of Nizamabad for organizing the same. All the virtual events organized were well planned and executed. The task was challenging to ensure everything goes on seamless and perfect. Thank you all for the excellent work done. Due to pandemic, membership retention was a major challenge. In spite of all challenges, I am happy to inform we have started 2 new clubs, Guntur, IWC Guntur Udan and IWC Hyderabad Kohinoor. I congratulate our district ESO Vijay Lakshmi and thank our AC member Vinita, district ISO Swarnlata, and our senior and very vibrant member Vijay Lakshmi Shekhawat for their efforts in starting these two new clubs. Thank you so much. This year, our district could obtain PAN card. I thank our district treasurer, Premlata, for her efforts. Well done, Premlata. I'm proud to share our district achieved 100% voting in international, national, and district elections. Though many rural clubs faced challenges as they lacked technology, but they were guided well. I thank our vibrant district executive committee for this fantastic achievement. This was the first time our district organized elections online. I congratulate and thank our PDC Naina Desai for organizing, achieving 100% voting. She planned it so well and guided all the presidents on the procedure. Thank you so much, Naina, for conducting the election so well. The task must be challenging to ensure everything goes on seamless and perfect. In spite of pandemic, good projects were done, including inter-district project with District 316. I thank our District Secretary Leela and District ISO Swarna for taking up the initiative and successfully doing the project. All the OCVs were done online. I felt very elated by the grand welcome by the members. I thank you all for the lovely virtual hospitality extended. It was a great experience and done as per the protocol. The most awaited evening award night was held on 31st July 21 on Zoom. I thank PDC Maya Tanwani and PDC Naina Desai for the fantastic work done. It is indeed a very tough to select winners from winners. All of you are winners for an excellent work done. A big applause to all of you. I am grateful my vibrant district executive committee members, Vice Chairman Sunita, District Secretary Leela, District ESO Vijay Lakshmi, District Treasurer Premlata, District ISO Swarnlata, District Editor Jayashri, and CCC, PAT, and PDC Padma Sharma for the support and help throughout the year. An enthusiastic group of presidents this year and past district chairmen being ever ready to help and guide us. This has helped us tremendously to execute duties. Though we worked in present, but always plan for future, so that tomorrow is better than today. Clubs did an excellent work in all avenues of service. We have done projects in line with IIW President Bina Vyasji's goal. We inducted new members, increased number of clubs, organized programs, and done projects under youth development, school, college, girls, working women, women development, caring for senior citizens, and water and sanitation. The word hope given by our association president was Vasudha Ji, reflecting her goal of the association was the mantra to plan our work out all our thoughts and dreams into action, because it's hope that keeps our inner spirit alive and encourages us to move ahead. Many projects were done, projects in line with our association president Vasudha Ji's goal hope. Along with this, multiple new activities in line with current theme, we have also focused on the continuous projects which have been going on for a long time. I'm glad to inform you, we have done around 2,000 awareness lectures, 1,500 projects worth 70 lakh with 22,000 plus many beneficiaries. Our district secretary, Leela, will share the details. Everyone has done such a fantastic work and changing the lives of many seen and unseen by your activity. I really wish that more and more people recognize the value of our organization for the service to the community. A kind word brings smile to a million lips. A smile lets loose a million ions of happiness, and kind deed resonates to touch a million hearts. Your overwhelming love and appreciation is indeed rejuvenating. It is gratifying to observe enthusiasm and commitment of clubs in widespread activities. Your selfless dedication towards noble cause is truly put spring to my steps. There is no meaning to friendship and service without love. And this love, which I have received from everyone, was motivation for me to give my best as district chair. I thank all my friends who supported me and motivated me throughout. Today, I miss my friend, P.D. Mani. I know wherever you are, you will have a big smile on your face. And I pray God, you always be happy and peaceful. A big thanks to you, one and all. Thank you.
That was an awesome address by Silochanaji with lot of satisfaction. Silochanaji needs a very big round of applause digitally. Let us all give digital claps to her.
Oh, thank you.
Excellent work done in Elegant 80s. Really, you are true inspiration to all of us. Now it's time to release Chairman's newsletter. We have heard about her activities. Now it will be treasured as a newsletter forever. Over to you, Jayashree, for release of newsletter.
Morning, dignitaries of the dais and on the dais and off the dais. It's my great pleasure to release district chairman's newsletter, which is a good record of her great work. Please, Prema, play the. I request Sarojji to release on her golden hand by her golden hands.
It will be followed by the release of club bulletins and souvenirs, if any.
Souvenirs.
Jayashree, if you have received any club bulletins and souvenirs, they also can be continued.
No, you are not showing bulletin.
No.
Chairman's newsletter, you are not showing. Please show the chairman's newsletter.
Okay, I'm showing it.
Scroll it down continuously.
Jayashree, you can explain what is it all this. If you want.
We'll keep it in groups, sir. Just you scroll it.
Yeah.
It's just an overview of the newsletter. It will be sent in all groups. That was an excellent work. Jayashree, that was an excellent work, Jayashree.
Thank you. Now I request to show the bulletin of Innerweal Club of Secunderabad and Innerweal Club of Srujna, please. I request to release.
This is Secunderabad.
Yeah.
Didn't come. రాలేదు ప్రేమలత.
Yeah. Srujana di ravali.
సికింద్రాబాద్ ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ వచ్చింది రాలేదు.
We are not showing the full,
full thing. Only first pages.
Only the picture we are showing.
Hello, Ravakai Mat.
That is Nandini Dabbar from Innerweal Club of Srujna.
Raman Sopala.
Okay, round of applause to both the clubs for consolidated newsletter of 2020-21.
Thank you, Prema, for giving me this opportunity.
The wheel has taken another turn and we are on the threshold of new inner wheel year. The night merges into new dawn, old inner wheel year blends with new one, and mantle of leadership is passed on to new one at the time of installation. It is time to change over our further promises to inner wheel through help, support, and friendship. Installation is the occasion where there is a lot of excitement in the air. Outgoing team with their heads held high and really proud of their achievements, and incoming team with new ideas are anxiously waiting to embark a journey of friendship and service. Wheel has taken another turn and time has come for change of guards. मांगी थी दुआ हमने रब से, देना हमें जो अलग है सबसे, उसने मिला दिया हमें सुनीता से और कहा अपना बना लो इन्हें, अनमोल है सबसे. A very focused, intelligent, talented, motivated, pious lady hails from a family of Inner Wheel of 3 generations, joined Inner Wheel Club of Warangal. She demonstrated her efficiency and organizing skills at every post in club and district level, and now rose to the post of district chairman. Before we proceed for installation, I request PDC Srimati B. Sumati Naidu to introduce her to the August gathering. Over to Sumati Garu, unmute yourself.
I'm so glad that today I'm going to introduce my daughter. She is the 7th district chairman of our club, Warangal. And I'm so glad that today, a bit disappointed, but we have not done physically. But Padma, you have shown your talent. And today we are enjoying as if we are conducting the meeting in a physical manner. And I hope I request to show it in the audio vision.
A beautiful woman uses her lips for truth, her voice for kindness, her ears for compassion, her hands for charity, and her heart for love. Come, let us know more about this beautiful and gorgeous soul, Mrs. Sunita Vallam, our new district chairman. A born leader, she joined Inner Wheel as a member in the year 1997 to become secretary in the year 2007-2008 and then president in the year 2009-2010. She has excelled in these roles and was conferred the best award for both Best Secretary and Best President. She has served the district as editor, district ISO, district treasurer, district ESO, district secretary, and district vice chairman. She has been chosen as district chairman due to her vast experience, know-how, and passion, which has been her driving force. She is the daughter of retired Forest Range Officer Y.P. Ramarao and Y. Vijayalakshmi, past president of Inner Wheel Club of Warangal. Her husband is a well-known orthopedic surgeon and has taken charge of being superintendent at the ESI hospital. She is a proud mother. Both her children, son Akhildeep and daughter Ananya, are based in the US along with their spouses Amulya and Nikhil Kumar. All of them are software professionals. She is also blessed with 2 beautiful granddaughters, Anvi and Nirvi. Sunita has overcome one hurdle after another, but the biggest battle she has won has been against the deadly breast cancer. She fought against all odds and emerged victorious. She has balanced her professional life while following her passion of cooking and traveling. She is also a crossword puzzle aficionado. Her attendance at Terrennial Conference at Mumbai, Pune, Varanasi, Kolkata, and Hyderabad have been valuable additions to her knowledge and expertise. Innerwheel Club is proud to have her on board as she takes forward the legacy of her grandmother A. Anusuya Devi, mother P. P. Vijayalakshmi, and aunt PDC B. Sumati Naidu. We are truly blessed to have such a dynamic, strong, resilient, and magnematic personality as District Chairman of District 315.
That was an excellent introduction of Mrs. Sunita Vallam. Now we have reached the moment of the day, installation of 31st District Chairman of District 315, Mrs. Sunita Vallam. May I now request our Chief Guest, Madam Sarojji, to join us virtually, send her blessings via network. Now I request Sulochana ji, District Chairman of 2020-21, to do the honors, hand over jewel of pride, collar and pin to Mrs. Sunita Vallam, and install her as 31st Chairman of Innerville District 315. Over to installation AV. Congratulations, Sunita. Now it's time to introduce her team. A good team is nothing but multiple hands with single brain. एक साथ आना शुरुआत है, एक साथ रहना उन्नति है, लेकिन एक साथ काम करना सफलता है. टीम में काम करने से काम कम होता है और सफलता अधिक. Teamwork makes our dream work. Today, District 315 is going to install such dream team of 21-22 who are going to support Sunita to take district to greater heights. Before we install them, a small AV of District Executive Committee introduction.
District Vice Chairman, Mrs. Leela Chandwani, learned, laudable, and lovable. She is a senior member of Hyderabad Central with a vast experience, highly dedicated and committed to any task that she takes up. She has served the district at various levels and in various capacities. She is a born leader, a great mentor, and a perfect example of a visionary with a compassionate heart. The passion for serving the underprivileged runs in the family, with both her sisters, PDC Maya Chandwani and past President Asha Agarwal always by her side as her pillars of strength. Association Council member Dr. Sulochana Mathur, scholarly, serene, and sophisticated. In her elegant 80s, she is an academic guru who has dedicated her entire life for the cause of educating the girl child. A mentor, an author, a guide beyond excellence. She has contributed a lot to the district at various levels. Her professional and personal knowledge and experience has been a treasure that she has shared with all of us. She is now going to play a pivotal role of becoming the bridge between the association and the district. With her guidance and direction, we hope to take our district to greater heights. District Secretary Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Kola, virtuous, visionary, and versatile. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. She has dedicated her entire life to give children the most precious thing in the world, education. A postgraduate in Telugu and history, she retired from her teaching profession in the year 2012, won many awards as Best Teacher and Guru. Today, she continues to impart knowledge and share her wisdom with all her contemporaries in the district. She has put in immense effort for the district at various levels, and we hope she will continue to contribute her valuable time and knowledge. District ESO, Mrs. Premalata, principled, pragmatic, and persistent. Premalata is a graduate in banking management and also holds a diploma in software engineering. She hails from a family of chartered accountants, which explains her precise, accurate, and perfectionist nature. She has contributed excellently to the district by successfully getting a PAN card for us. Her determined and focused nature will contribute greatly to the district for membership development and forming of new clubs. Premalata, you are the true embodiment of the saying, education is the most important weapon which we can use to change the world. District Treasurer, Mrs. Swarnalata, skilled, sensible, and sincere. A master's in communication and journalism with 40 years of corporate experience in responsible positions. She is a multifaceted and qualified superachiever with excellent public relations and social skills. She has played a vital role in taking up super creative and out-of-the-box projects and initiatives. As District ISO, she meticulously organized Mitra Lekha, an ISOs and editors meet. She has been a huge contributor to the entire district's growth and progress. A vivacious and compassionate go-getter who believes whatever you do it great and do it to make a difference in someone's life. District ISO, Mrs. Jayashri, judicious, jovial, and just brilliant. She is the perfect example of the saying, work hard in silence, let success be your noise, because her silence and quiet nature are her biggest strengths. She has been a very strong pillar of Inner Wheel Club of Guntur and has contributed immensely for the growth of her club. A postgraduate in chemistry and a successful woman entrepreneur. She is a master at multitasking. With her vast experience, grit, and determination, she will be a great asset to the district, and together we will reach greater heights. District Editor, Mrs. Anupama Subedar. Adaptable, attentive, and amiable. Anupama is a postgraduate who has done her MA, BSc, B.Ed, and is a qualified Hindi Pandit. She is currently working as a teacher at St. Francis School, Nizamabad. She has been passionately imparting knowledge and grooming lives for the past 27 years. She joined Innerwheel in the year 2007-2008 and served the club in various capacities. She has won the Best Editor, Best Secretary, and Best President awards. She was the pioneer to get a program about Innerwheel broadcasted on All India Radio and television on the occasion of Daughters' Day. We hope, as District Editor, you take our district bulletins and newsletters to a new level of creativity and uniqueness. District CCC, Mrs. Padma Sharma, proficient, popular, and phenomenal. Defined by no man, you are your own story, blazing through the world, turning his story into her story. And when they dare to tell you about all the things you cannot be, you smile and tell them, I am both war and woman, and you cannot stop me. Multi-talented, supremely creative, and immensely hardworking. Her uniqueness is visible in all spheres of her life, be it her career as Subdivisional Engineer, BSNL, to her various roles she has played in Innerwheel. She has brought huge laurels to the district, and she is the first member to represent District 315 at the Association EC. She is an epitome of social skills, always encouraging and supporting her contemporaries and juniors while maintaining cordial relationships with all her seniors. Her mantra to success is to put her heart and soul into everything she does. We are truly blessed to have such a brilliantly talented CCC chairman for steering our district in the right direction.
That was a great introduction of District EC, no? If it is so, please let us clap for this thing. Now it is time to install District Executive Committee team for year 2021-22. That was hybrid, virtual, semi-virtual installation. Thank you, Saroji, for joining. Congratulations to Sunita and her team. As rightly quoted by someone, always dream and shoot higher than you know you can do. Don't bother just to be better than your contemporaries or predecessors. Try to be better than yourself. Sunita, we know you have a lot of plans for this year. We are eager to share your moment of joy and excitement. Could you please deliver your acceptance speech? Buckle up and know that it's going to be tremendous amount of work this year, but embrace it. Over to Sunita for acceptance speech.
Thank you so much, Padma Sharma garu. Respected Association President, Mr. Saroj Katyarji, District Executive Committee members, PDCs, past Association Treasurer, Constitution and Credential Committee Chairman, Mrs. Padma Sharma, today's Sugamana's convener, Host Club President Lakshmi, Secretary Prasuna, Assembly Convener PDC Sumati Naidu garu, President, Secretaries, other dignitaries who joined in Zoom, friends, guests, family, a good afternoon to all of you. It's my proud privilege to take up the responsibility of District Chairman for the year 21-22. I truly believe in saying, man proposes, God disposes. We have planned district assembly physically, but with the COVID pandemic, we are doing it virtually. I thank Association President, Mr. Sarojji, for gracing this special occasion. I thank Almighty for providing me the opportunity to light the path of needy. I am going through a mixed feeling of excitement, happiness, inspiration, fear, and curiosity by taking over the charge. I am indebted to my club members for their support. This is a special moment for me with the motivation and inspiration of PDC Mrs. Sumati Naidu, my aunt, forever encouraging and guiding force of CCC Chairman Mrs. Padma Sharma garu. I express my gratitude to all PDCs for the encouragement and blessings. I congratulate district executive members and assure my support and request your cooperation too. I thank my mother, father for their encouragement and blessings. My family, my strength. I thank my husband and children for their support. I assure Association President Mrs. Saroj Katyarji that our district will follow the vibrant association goals heroes. I urge PDCs, club presidents and members in the district to help me in fulfilling the goals and reaching the targets of increasing membership and opening of new clubs. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sunita, for a sweet and pretty acceptance speech. We know you are woman of actions. Now it is time to release District Directory. District Directory is a handy tool of communication to maintain inter-district and intra-district inner-wheel relations. Now, District Directory of District 315 will be released with the blessings of Ma Saraswati, and I request our association president also to join us virtually.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रान्विता या वीणां वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः सरस्वती भगवती निशेषजाड्यापहा।
Thank you, Sunita, for a cute and handy district directory. Thank you, Madam Sarojji, for joining us virtually. Now, I invite District Editor Anupama Subedar to release inaugural newsletter.
Good afternoon, everyone. I request Association President Saroj Katiyar ji and Sunita ji, please release the inaugural bulletin. Thank you. Thank you, Saroj ji and Sunita ji.
Anupama, you can now release club bulletins or newsletters if any.
Padmaji, we have to show the newsletter ones.
Ah, yes. Newly joined DCC Anupama editor has tried her level best to bring out first newsletter. Well done, Anupama. Congratulations.
Thank you, Padma Garu, and thank you, Lata. Respected District Chairman Sunita Vallamji, Association President Saroj Katiyar ji, AC Member Dr. Sulochana ji, EAT and CCCC Padma Sharma Garu, my co-EC members, all PDCs and all other members. Good afternoon to all. The key to leadership is to accept responsibility. I feel privileged and honored that my esteemed seniors and friends put their faith in me and gave me the opportunity to serve in the executive committee as district editor. Well begun is half done. I am very happy to release inaugural bulletin today with the hands of Association President Saroj Katiyar ji and District Chairman Sunita Vallam ji.
Okay.
Looking forward for more such enthusiasm in upcoming events and keeping all our spirits high. My heartfelt thanks to all Saroj ji, Sunita ji, Padma Sharma ji, Sulochana ji, Sumati Naidu ji, Naina ji, Maya ji, Swarupa ji, Padma ji for your support, cooperation with such wonderful messages and articles. My special thanks to Premlata for guiding me. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Anupama.
Thank you.
Manjile unhi ko mil.
One more Secunderabad newsletter also.
Just show the picture, Secunderabad.
Lata, Secunderabad bulletin also. This is Secunderabad Club, editor Poonam Sood, releasing newsletter with the hands of Saroj ji and Sunita ji.
Thank you, Anupama and Prema.
Thank you.
Proceeding further. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंख फड़फड़ाने से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसले से उड़ान होती है. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Saroj is one such leader whose pleasure and pleasure lies with ideas. Saroj follows her vision to make it a reality, respecting the view and opinion of her team members. Her mantra being never see what has been done, only see what remains to be done. We are lucky to have you today as chief guest. Before inviting her for her address, I request AC member Sulochana ji to introduce our chief guest. Sulochana ji, over to you. सुलोचना जी अनम्यूट कीजिए.
It's my privilege to introduce today's chief guest, Association President Saroj Katiyar ji. Can we have the video, please?
Saroj. Her name is synonymous with our national flower lotus and epitomizes the qualities of this beautiful flower, which is untouched by the mud in which it grows. This multi-talented personality from the city of Nawabs, Lucknow, is a keen social worker, an entrepreneur, and an environment enthusiast. She has studied at La Martiniere Girls College with MA Honours in Western History. Belonging to a family of doctors, she has devoted her time to conduct free medical checkup camps and awareness programs in the city. She is very vocal about the consumption of tobacco and alcohol and has launched various long-term tobacco control awareness campaigns, engaging the youth in the city, covering 80% of the schools in Kanpur. Besides this, Saroj is also active in various social organizations. She is the director of Prastuti Foundation, a group for the education of girls, a member of Health Foundation, Asthma Welfare Society, Floriculture Society, and proprietor of 3C Pharmacy. Her integrity, determination, and passion towards Innoveel can be judged by the accolades achieved by her. She won 26 awards and was club president par excellence with a record-breaking 40% increase in the number of members. Her initiative, Each One Teach One for underprivileged children, has been highly successful till date. Her zeal and enthusiasm as district secretary and district treasurer were also recognized by all. As district chairman, apart from 79 happy schools, 159 toilet blocks constructed, more than 4,500 women were empowered through vocational training and skill development programs. She conceptualized Super Stree, creating a platform for upcoming women-led startups to grow, innovate, and succeed. She has been organizing fundraising events for the past 6 years to empower underprivileged women by providing a marketplace for their products, and the funds are used by the clubs for various social projects. She has chartered 13 new clubs in district as CGR, ESO, and district chairman. As association treasurer, she was recognized for flawless working by association president. Her knowledge of Innoveel is impeccable and has been the faculty of incoming Chairman's Institute and imparted training in orientation programs at club and district level. Saroj's mantra for success is, "We lift ourselves by lifting others." This adventurous yoga enthusiast who loves to travel is blessed with a loving family. Her husband, Dr. S.K. Katiyar, a pulmonologist and ex-principal of Medical College, son Dr. Sandeep, also a pulmonologist, daughter-in-law Tanushri, a PhD, her daughter Swati and son-in-law are software engineers. Sarya and Saisha, her granddaughters, are the apple of her eyes. Sarojji believes, "Give to the world the best you have and the best shall come back to you." Presenting a power-packed lady committed to serve Innoveel with perseverance and guide us with unlimited energy and love, Saroj Katiyar.
Wow, that was an amazing introduction of our dear beloved Sarojji. AP Saroj is a symbol of simplicity, hard work, dedication, commitment, and inspiration to all of us. We welcome you to share your knowledge and precious thoughts with us. Please, over to you, Sarojji, for your inspiring address.
Good morning, friends. It is really a pleasure for me to attend this assembly. It is spectacular. Before I start with my speech, I would like to say these words. It was spectacular, everything. From the moment I have entered, you have started the program, and it was marvelous. I'm short of words to praise it. Dear District Chairman, 2021-22 Sunita, Vice AC Member Sulakshana ji, EC members, PAT, Padma Sharma, PDCs, presidents of different clubs, and my dear Inner Wheel members, a very, very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of the district installation ceremony, Sugamana, of my very, very own dear and very, very hard-working, brave Sunita, and witness the change of baton from one leader to another. Leaders change, but leadership continues, because I've seen the past leader also, the wonderful work that she has done. And I'm sure Sunita will too keep the flag of District 315 running high. It is a time of new hopes, new aspirations, new goals, new leadership, new excitement, new smiles, energy, and happiness, as I have seen in all the faces attending this program today. I know each one is happy. This installation ceremony, it is, I feel as if it is so energetic, I can't tell you. My congratulations to you, Sunita, as you take up as the district chairman of District 315. I'm sure with your passion, positivity, perseverance, and your efforts, you will set new milestones and landmarks, and it will be a memorable year of friendship and service. For her, I wish to say, रख भरोसा खुद पर, रख भरोसा खुद पर, क्यों ढूंढता है मंजिलें, पंछियों के पास कहाँ होते हैं नक्शे, फिर भी ढूंढ लेते हैं रास्ते. I'm sure you will have a wonderful journey of Inner Wheel as district chairman. You have already started your work. That's the best part, I liked of the DCs of my team. They have started the work on the very first day, 1st July, and with a bang, you have started, Sunita. You have honored doctors, 30 teachers, you have helped them, you have given salary to them, plantation drive done, sponsored food, grinder, mixer, adopted one child, and given financial help of 1 lakh. It is a big, big amount. Donated laptop, observed breastfeeding week, organized camps and webinars. And Sunita, you are doing such a wonderful, wonderful job. I cannot tell you how happy I'm to see the work done by you. Congratulations to you for the wonderful work that you are doing. And congratulations also, you are so soft, The acceptance speech was also so sweet and short. No big, big promises, nothing, but I'm sure you will do a wonderful job. I would also like to congratulate District EC for their new posts at district level. And of course, the respected dear PDCs of District 315 for taking the new responsibilities to be the directors and coordinators for the verticals of Sheroes, and club presidents. You all are here to take up the most challenging post at club level, who, with your commitment, with your dedication, with your hard work, it is you who take the Inner Wheel forward. Last year also, you all had done such a wonderful job, such number of projects that were done. So congratulations to you, presidents, for taking up the most challenging post of Inner Wheel. And we are really proud of the wonderful work you have done and you will do the new ones. I would also like to congratulate the new AC member, Sincere Senior Sulochana ji. I'm really, hats off to you, Sulochana ji. And today when they told me, they informed me your age, I'm really, namaste karti hu. At this age, so much of work done, so much. I'm really proud of you. We Inner Wheel members, you are an empowered lady, We are trying to look for empowered ladies here and there with their stories. Even I was looking forward for my this app that I have developed to look for empowered women who can share their success stories. But I can say today that you are an empowered lady. Yours is a success story. The way you have handled the situation, the way you have kept the members motivated at your age, even at my age, I'm 62, 63. And then also I feel my age at times, and you are an inspiration to me today. At this age, the way you have worked hard, the way you have guided the presidents, the members, really hats off to you. And with your sincerity, dedication, and so knowledgeable. And Sunita is really lucky to have you as an AC member. I'm sure she will be guided very nicely by you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. For you, dear EC members and the club presidents, I wish to say, you all, the love that has been showered on me from the time I have entered this program on this virtual meet, I'm really floored. That is the one word I can say. You all have given me love. You all have given me respect. You all have given me friendship. You have made me realize what Inner Wheel is, what friendship is. And I thank you from the core of my heart. Really thankful the way you all have. From the time I have come, the welcome, the dance, and the way the program has been conducted, it's flawless, flawless. This is the best one. I've seen the other also of big districts, but this one I was really very, very happy. Before I continue further, I know all of you have had your Koti and Doti and you all know of all the goals that we have. But still, I would like to say a little bit in short about the goals that we have got. As you all know, the international theme given by our IIW president is Pink First. Pink represents feminism. It represents love, friendship. It represents you and me and all the members sitting here at the assembly, all the members of Inner Wheel, of each and every woman. So Pink First is you and me. We have to keep this in mind that the ladies should be first everywhere. The social project also is great. Stronger woman, strong woman, stronger world. In sync with this, we have the goals, Sheroes. I was really lucky. The goals so I've given, but the IIW theme and the social project, it was released after the ICI. And the goals that I had given, they're absolutely in sync with them. I had to change nothing. What our IIW president has given, I'm working on the same goals of women empowerment, of taking the ladies forward in all the fields. This year's goal, Sheroes, revolves and goes parallel with the theme Pink First. And the first letter of Sheroes, S, stands for Stree Shakti, build, motivate, grow, a vision for empowering women through entrepreneurship. This is one of my main goals, health, hygiene of women. COVID has manifested as a health emergency, but it could be more accurately framed as a planetary health emergency. COVID-19 has taught us the importance of health, hygiene, usage of masks and sanitizers. Our focus will be on the health of women, but we will also try to help wherever in the hospitals, whenever or wherever the need arises. A very small daily household activities. It is what we ladies can do, like saying no to plastic bags, planting trees, giving composting a try.